Well, good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. Today is the 3rd of January 2022. I hope all of you had an enjoyable Christmas and a happy new year. And as we move into 2022, I wanted to hyper focus on a few cryptos that I think we need to watch because I think they possess the greatest potential for us to make some serious moolah. Okay, so the first one I'm going to talk about today, maybe the only one today, is Decentraland. Now, if you look at the markets and you've been watching them over the holidays, you'll notice that Decentraland has fallen to the number 30 slot. And let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with the graph here for Decentraland. It's now sitting at $3.30. And I want to bring up some key points about what we're seeing here that might be confusing, but we need to really pay close attention. Now, there are those people out there that are saying that, oh my goodness, Decentraland, it just can't get above $4. It just can't get to $5, and it's got a downward trend. But if you really look carefully at what's going on, let's take a look at not the 1 day, but the 1 month chart. Look at this chart here, folks. This is not a chart that is showing a downward trend. You see all of that red? This is not a negative chart, and I want to explain why I'm saying this. For 30 days, we've found some staying power with this particular crypto, sitting at $3.30. If you look at it where it was way back about 30, let's see, where is this? Right here. I want to look at this point. On the 6th of December 2021. Okay, we're coming up on 6 January 2022. If you look at that, it was $3.30 then. Now, if we go back, yeah, it was $3.82 30 days ago. But the staying power, that's what I want to talk about. Staying power. Now, people are always talking about Bitcoin being a store of value. And there's a lot of people that think you're going to lose your shirt when you invest in these particular assets. Well, we haven't lost anything. No, we haven't. We have not lost anything in the last 30 days. If you did not cut and run when it jumped down to $3.11 back here, okay, or $2.98, if you didn't get scared and run, you have the same crypto that you had way back here on the 6th of December. So this is a very good sign that Mana coin has some staying power and can keep its value even through the holiday period when people were liquidating their assets so that they could buy whatever toys they need to buy for Christmas and whatever gifts they need to buy for their loved ones. We have a coin here that has staying power through the holidays. It's not down 30%. It's not down 40%. It's sitting at the same place where it was when we were in December of 2021. So with that, I want to let you think on that. And we're going to be digging into why I think Decentraland could be a superstar in 2022. If you want to know this information and you're not a subscriber, I invite you to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I promise you're going to hear some things that you wouldn't hear on the other channels. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.